So let's get to why you're really here, and that is the 3 things you need to know before using a menstrual cup. Hey guys, this is Keisha from Keisha Knows Nothing, or a little bit of something, and I have a little something to share with you guys today. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs up this video as well so you don't miss anything from me and so other people can find the video. So let's get started with what you came here for, and that is 3 things you need to know before you decide to use a menstrual cup. First off, let's talk about what a menstrual cup is and what it's for. A menstrual cup is a cup that is created to collect the menstrual fluid as opposed to a tampon or a pad which absorbs the menstrual fluid. And the benefits of it is it's supposed to be able to be left in for up to 8 hours before you need to empty it. So that's pretty nice as opposed to having to change a tampon or a pad every 3 or 4 hours, depending on your flow. The cup that I purchased was from Amazon. It was from the Demi-Sex brand, and it came with 2 cups, one larger one, one smaller one, and then a carry case and also a carry pouch. So I think this case right here is actually for storage. This is the cup, and at the end it has this little dauber for you to pull it out. So this goes inside and it collects everything. It also has measurements here. So I thought that was pretty good, and I thought for the cost it was a very good deal. So let's get to why you're really here, and that is the 3 things you need to know before using a menstrual cup. Number 1, the fold is everything. The fold is super important when it comes to using a menstrual cup. There are several different folds out there that I didn't realize were out there until I started using the cup and wondering why I was having problems. Just to let you know, the fold that works best for me is actually just dipping it in like this. I forget what they call this one. I should have looked it up before I started this video. But initially I was doing the C fold, which is that one, and I realized that I was having problems. Sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't. So once I got used to doing it this way, it works great. So the reason why the fold is so important is because if you don't have a good fold, then you're not going to have a good release once it is inside of you. And if you don't have a good release and it doesn't unfold properly, then it's not going to create the right barrier so no leaks come out. So there are different folds out there. It just depends on what you're comfortable doing and what works for you. But bad fold equals leaks. Which leads me to the second thing you should know about menstrual cups is bad fold equals leaks. Well, leaks are the reason why that this is not 100% zero waste, because there's a chance you will need to still use a panty liner as a backup. If you don't have a good fold, you're going to end up with leaks. And if you're using it for the first time, you're probably going to want to use some sort of a panty liner anyway, just in case. Also, I've read that you can sleep in a menstrual cup, but I've also read that you shouldn't sleep in a menstrual cup. I'm not sure which one to believe. I personally do not sleep in mine. I don't know if that's always going to be the case, but right now it's just not something I am comfortable doing yet. So because of that, I still have to purchase pads. Now, there are pads and panty liners out there that are cloth made, and you can purchase those on Amazon. You can purchase them on Etsy, so you can reuse those. But yeah, if you want to go zero waste, you still can. But if you're not prepared for that, then yes, you will most likely still need to buy some sort of a backup for your menstrual cup. The third thing that you should know before using a menstrual cup is it is super important that you clean it. You have to make sure your menstrual cup is clean. This is just, you have to. If you are not cleaning your menstrual cup thoroughly, then you are putting yourself at risk for things like bacterial vaginosis and other issues. So you have to make sure that it is clean. If there's bacteria, bad bacteria lingering on your menstrual cup, it will give you problems, and you don't want that. So make sure you're cleaning your cup. There are several videos on YouTube about ways to clean your cup. If you want to, you can purchase several menstrual cups so you can thoroughly clean them at the end of your period. Don't reuse your cup without cleaning it. So don't reinsert it without cleaning it. Make sure your cup is clean. Clean. Thoroughly clean. Don't give your kitty any kind of problems. Make sure everything is clean. So yeah, those are my 3 things that you should know before you decide to use a menstrual cup. For me, I think the menstrual cup is a great option if you want to get away from tampons and pads. You should definitely look into it. It's comfortable. I didn't really feel it. The only time I did feel it is if I did not insert it properly. Again, the fold is very important. You can put it in and not have to worry about running back and forth to the bathroom. Yeah, it's easy peasy if you have an active lifestyle or if you just don't have the time to go back and forth to the bathroom. I think that the menstrual cup is a good option for you. So I hope that these tips helped. I hope that these things are something that you will consider whenever you decide to get a menstrual cup. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, thumbs it up so other people can find the video. I enjoyed having you here, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.